Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.0 on CentOS Stream 9. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. Then see here at the time of making this video the latest release is 18. Click on download or download, both are same. Then open terminal, then click on Linux, then select Red Hat or Alma Linux. See here we don't have the CentOS, but open terminal, /etc os-release. See its ID is like RHL or Fedora. Okay, so the PostgreSQL M repository currently supports RHL, Rocky Linux, Alma Linux and Fedora Linux. So select the version, 18 is the latest one, then select the platform. So select RHL 9, okay. See, once we selected it, populated the list of the commands, the list of the scripts that needs to be executed. So execute these commands one by one to install PostgreSQL Server. See, first it will install repository RPM. So copy this one, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, it is successfully installed. Now disable if there are any built-in PostgreSQL modules. Paste it, hit enter. Control A. Now install PostgreSQL Server. Sudo dnf install PostgreSQL 18-server. Yeah. If you want to install 17, just replace this 18 with 17. Hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL Server and these dependencies. Type for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now initiate database by running this command. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -18. If you don't give the version number, it won't work. So we have to give version number. The PostgreSQL Server is installed, but it is not started and disabled. So start it. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -18. Also enable it. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -18. See, PostgreSQL Server is enabled and it is active and running. And also see here the PIDs for the PostgreSQL processes: logger, IOWaka, checkpointer, background writer, wall writer, auto vacuum launcher and logical replication. And this is the data directory. Okay. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL Server, but this is not the version of the PostgreSQL Server. It is PSQL client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL Server 18. Okay. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL Server is we have to set the password for PostgreSQL Server, which is supervisor. So verify list of users that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is having supervisor privileges. We can also get the list of the users by running. See, we got the same. Now set the password for this user. We have successfully set the password. Now verify list of databases /shell. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. We can also get the list of the databases by running select dat name from pg_database. See, we got the same. Okay, now we will create database. Create database. Now verify. See, we have created database bank, and this is the one of the database. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use the /c or connect. Either is same, then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables. See, you don't have any tables. Let us create table. Create. See, we have created table in public schema, and this is the one of the table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay. Now we will create user. Create. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is a password. Now verify. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. To exit, we have to use the command /q. PSQL-HH means hostname, localhost, because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one, or you can give IP or loopback IP or server name. Okay, then -u must be caps, then username is David, then -d means database Postgres, then provide the password. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current _ user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user David. Now try to run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission needed for table customer, because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL server 18.0 on CentOS stream 9. Okay, we can't stop or start this Postgres user. So exit, sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL -18. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is stopped. We can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. PSQL. See, you are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -18. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is started 3 seconds ago. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL -18. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is restarted 2 seconds ago. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. PSQL. Now we'll find the config files and data log directory location. So config _file. See, PostgreSQL.conf file. This file contains PostgreSQL server level configuration parameters. If you want to find the HBA file, HBA means host based authentication file. It contains authentication rules. See, both are in the same directory. Now find the data directory. So data _directory. All three are in the same directory. Now find the log directory. So log _directory. Okay. Now exit. So until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or db. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on CentOS stream. Okay. For more PostgreSQL or CentOS tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.